You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
Apple is months away from announcing the iPhone 14 models, but it is never too early to start speculating about the devices. We have previously heard numerous details on the device related to how the camera will be upgraded and the display. We were expecting the company to introduce an in-display Touch ID on iPhone 14, but the latest information points out that the company will not consider it. Moreover, only the iPhone 14 Pro models will feature a 120Hz ProMotion display, similar to how Apple implemented on the current flagship models. iPhone 14 will not feature in-display Touch ID. 120Hz ProMotion will be exclusive to Pro models. The latest information on the subject is shared by a credible leaker Dylan DKT on Twitter, who coins that Apple will not include in-display touch on iPhone 14 and only the Pro models will feature a 120Hz ProMotion display. Apple is rumored to have a very busy year when it comes to introducing upgraded products. Mark Gurman stated in his Power On newsletter that Apple will release the widest array of new hardware products in history. The company is expected to launch new Macs and iPad models with upgraded internals. In addition, the company is making impressive strides when it comes to its custom silicon. On the front, the iPhone 14 is expected to feature a pill as well as a hole punch cutout for the front-facing camera and Face ID components. Apple has to keep a differentiating factor between the standard and the Pro models. Henceforth, it could be true that the iPhone 14 Pro models will feature a 120Hz ProMotion display while the standard models will stick with a 60Hz panel. Other than this, Apple will also ditch the in-display Touch ID on the iPhone 14 models. What this means is that the only authentication process on the iPhone 14 series will be Face ID. This is all there is to it, folks. We will share more details on the subject as soon as further information is available. As usual, fellows and ladies, thank you all for coming in and watching. See you guys in another video.